girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Big girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You're trying to come back when you face. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always wanna do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over always. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. The little young thing, got a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me, play me. No doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a nigga, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you famous. Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty wear your baton, racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, I read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiato, when Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need
up on your mind. This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a home man.
Fantasy. I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know if I keep sick on don't know.
Let's play a little just between you and I. I'll be out. Gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My vixen, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Make a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert, unoffice. We can play the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My vixen, my better be a stain. Won't get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for Nadula hair. You guys know I've worked with Nadula for a very long time. They're one of my faves, and today I'm reviewing another Kinky straight unit, but this time I decided to go ahead and add some curls in there. I didn't know if I was gonna have to flat iron it first and then add the curls, but I just curled it in its like regular state, and this is what it turned out looking like. I absolutely love it, and I did add a little bit of layers in it, as you guys saw. And as you guys also saw, that this is a completely glueless install. I did not use any product to adhere this unit. I just used like the little tape-in pieces that they have like on the sides. Here in the center, it is completely glueless, so you don't have to use any product to adhere this unit, and it still looks very, very natural. Like, you don't need any baby hairs, and I just wanted to show you guys that no baby hair is necessary. And the only thing I will say, if you do this look, make sure you use some kind of hairspray. I didn't use any hairspray, so the curls were starting to fall a little bit. I don't know why I thought because of the texture it would actually hold curls a little bit longer, but yeah, just make sure you use some kind of hairspray. I didn't want to use any in mine just because sometimes it makes like your curls a little crunchy, and I don't really like that kind of look. So anyways, this is what we have today. It's very full, which I love, and like I said before, this is a Kinky straight unit, which is one of my current favorites actually. I never thought that I would like Kinky straight hair like at all, because I'm more of like a deep wave or a loose wave, or you know, any kind of like curly hair is more so like my type of thing. Even like, you know, of course, like silky bone straight. So this is a 24-inch, by the way. The other ones that I reviewed, I think they were like 26 inches long. This one is a little bit shorter, but yeah, I've really been liking the Kinky straight texture because it definitely like mimics like your natural hair. Even if you wanted to do like clip slip-ins or a U-part unit or something like that. Like this texture is perfect for more of the natural kind of girls. You can even do like flexi rods with this hair and it will look just as good. So that's pretty much the vibes though. And this is a 13x4 lace front unit, if you guys are wondering. It does have transparent lace. This is one of those wear and go units, so you don't have to worry about anything as far as customizing goes. It comes with bleached knots, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and the lace is also pre-cut for you as well. I did not have to cut off any extra lace with this unit whatsoever, and this is what it's looking like with just being taped down, by the way. It just has the adhesive tape, and then they give you extra adhesive tape in the inside, so if you want to like put it around the rest of the circumference of your head, you can do that. But I will say, when it comes to the tape, it's better to do this without makeup on because it's not going to stick as good if you have makeup on. So if you do wear this unit, make sure you do your makeup after you install the hair, which is different for me because I'm so used to doing it the other way around. Like I usually do my makeup and then I put in my install, so that's just me personally. But yeah, if you are going to try this out, make sure that you do use like some rubbing alcohol even to just make sure you get rid of like all of the oils on your skin, and then that's going to help it stick a whole lot better. But because I have like this extra layer of makeup, it is like trying to lift like a little bit, especially if you like sweat or something. I mean, forget about it. So just be mindful of that. As far as the inside construction, there is like this elastic band inside that has like the non-slip elastic band, so it's going to keep your unit in place. That's what those ridges are. If you're wondering like why do they put those on there, it's not just a design, it's actually a way to keep your unit from like slipping off. And it does have a comb in the very back, which I can appreciate, because when it comes to these kinds of units, they stopped using the adjustable straps that used to be in the back that would make like this whole back piece tighter. They stopped using those with some of these units, and I'm not really sure why they stopped. Even though you have like the adjustable elastic band up top, I feel like you should have both of them. And you know what I mean, just for like that extra security. So that's the only thing that I wish that they had in this unit. But other than that, I really do like the construction of it. I will say, as far as like the parting space on the side, I did show you guys like what the parting space was giving. It's not a lot of parting space on the side. I think it's probably about like 2 inches on the side. And then this is what I would call a horseshoe lace front unit. So majority of your parting space is going to be here in the center, and then as it gets to the sides, it gets a little bit shorter. And this is like a nice up close look at it. I don't know, it just looks very cute, very grown and sexy and voluminous, like I keep saying. And you know, you can play around with this. I just didn't want to come here and just flat iron another one. I did want to show you guys that you can curl a unit like this, and you don't have to flat iron it first to get it to look like this, and you don't have to add baby hairs or anything like that. This is a baby hair free look, because I know not everybody wants to, you know, wear baby hair. Some people don't know how to do their baby hair, so they kind of like mess the look up. Sometimes it can literally completely mess up a whole look. But looks like this don't need baby hair. I feel like it's just unnecessary to do that. But yeah, really been liking these Kinky straight units. If you haven't tried one, I think you should definitely give it a try. Just give it a try at least one time, and then see how you feel about it. I really like how they flat iron as well. Like they flat iron really good. They're just as silky as some of your other units, and they don't tangle. Like I haven't had any issues with tangling with Kinky straight units, which I kind of thought that I would have an issue with that, because anytime you have tangling, it leads to breakage, which leads to shedding, and a lot of it. So I love when a unit is tangle free. And even this unit with it being curled, like it's not like one of those, like I'm still able to like, you know, run my fingers through it if I want. You get what I'm saying? So there's a plus with that. And for reference, like I said, this is a 24-inch unit. If I pull it, it will be a little bit longer. I did go ahead and cut some layers in it. I'm not gonna talk you guys' ears off about this unit. If you like the unit, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover but you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to Nadula for sponsoring this video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, showing love, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.